and welcome back to the Compose tutorial videos. In this video, we're going to be going over the button component. So let's go ahead and jump right in here. So we hit button, we have our on-click parameter here, and then inside of these brackets that it gives us, that's where we can add functionality. So in this case, just for tutorial purposes here, we can just use a println statement. Hello world, I was clicked. Okay, great. Then inside of here, it's interesting, it says row scope. So that means that this is actually a container for more composables, which is really cool because that means we can add all sorts of different things in here and still get the button functionality right out of the box. So in this case, we're going to keep it very simple and just add something like text. All right. So actually, you know what? I already have hello world. So let's just do click me. All right. And then we're actually going to run this on the emulator. So here we go. Launch succeeded. Let's open that up. Click me. Let's take a look at our console here. Pull that back up. So we just clicked it and there it is. So that's basically how you use button in a nutshell. And then let's take a look and see what happens when we keep adding composables here. Click me, click this. Okay. So let's try that and see what happens in our button. All right, so if you notice, click me, click this. So you might be wondering, why did it show up like this when, if it's a container, it will layer on top of each other like we saw in the last video. In the last couple videos. Well, the reason why is because it's actually, the base is a row. So this will actually, instead of just accepting one, it actually, the base functionality for a button container is to show the components in a row, which is cool. So we have, that's a default behavior for a button. I mean, you can, add a column as well. And then inside the column, we can stick these. And try that again. And there we go. So, but the default behavior, see, it says this row scope, this column scope. So it gives us some hints here as to what the default behavior is when displaying our components. So this has been an introduction to the button. Again, really the main functionality we have here is the clicking and then displaying our different UI elements. So we can do all sorts of different things here, but this is the core functionality for a button. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.